Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make contact forms in Weebly. This is a fantastic way to let visitors get in touch with you directly through your website, whether you're collecting feedback, inquiries, or customer information. Let's jump right in. First, head over to Weebly.com in your browser and log into your Weebly account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your homepage where you can manage all your sites. Take a look at the left-hand menu where you'll see an option labeled Website. Click on that, and directly beneath it, you'll find Edit Site. Go ahead and click that to proceed. Now you'll be presented with a list of websites you've created. Choose the specific website where you'd like to add your contact form, then look over to the right side of the screen and click the Edit button. This action will take you into the Weebly editor, which is where all the magic happens for building and customizing your site. Once you're inside the editor, make sure you're on the Build tab at the top menu. This is crucial because the Build section gives you access to all the elements and tools you need to construct your pages. With that confirmed, shift your focus to the left side menu where you'll find a variety of elements you can add to your site. Scroll through the options until you locate Contact Form. If you're having trouble spotting it right away, simply click on Show All Elements to expand the full list. This will make it easier to find exactly what you need without missing anything. Once you've found the contact form element, click and drag it directly onto your website page wherever you want it to appear. The beauty of Weebly is how intuitive this drag and drop system is, making placement simple and flexible. After dropping the form onto your page, click on it to start editing the content. You can customize fields, labels, and any text that appears on the form to match your specific needs. On the right side of the element, you'll notice several options available to you. There's View Entries, which allows you to see submissions from anyone who fills out the form. You'll also see form options where you can adjust settings like required fields or email notifications. Once you're satisfied with all your changes, click Save to finalize everything. And there you have it. You've successfully added a functional contact form to your Weebly website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.